Hi there, welcome to the Fewer Fights, Better Nights channel. If you love your partner, but you just wish the communication part felt easier or that the connection was stronger, you're in the right place. My name is Deborah Brown, and I'm a life and relationship coach as well as TEDx speaker. I help couples create more understanding, peace, and connection in their relationship. Think of me as your fun, no judgment friend who's got your back. This channel is for couples who still care, who still love each other, but keep clashing. Maybe you're tired of talking in circles with your partner. Maybe one of you shuts down while the other spirals. Or maybe you just want to feel close again without everything turning into an argument. Here, you'll find the tools to reconnect, rebuild trust, and actually enjoy being in love again. Because you deserve a relationship that feels soft, safe, and steady, not tense, distant, or confusing. Now, what do I hope this channel does for you? I want it to be your secret weapon for a stronger relationship. Less stress, more peace, passion, affection, and of course, good communication. That's at the heart of it all. That's the goal. To empower you to build an unbreakable connection with your partner. We're talking practical hacks, exciting challenges, intriguing insights. Each week, you'll find short videos packed with real tools, simple shifts that will help you and your partner communicate better, feel closer, and create a relationship that truly feels like home. As they say, you don't have to get it perfect. You just have to get started. As a coach, I'm here to be your guide, your cheerleader, and sometimes your gentle truth teller. Think of this channel as your relationship gym, where we build critical relationship skills, emotional strength, teamwork, and most of all, have some fun while we're doing all of that. It's not just my channel. I want this to be our community. It's a channel not only built for you, but eventually with you. Because your participation, your stories, your wins, your questions and suggestions, they'll help shape what comes next. Let's co-create this community where everyone feels supported, empowered, and ready to conquer love like pros. So to kick things off, drop a comment below letting me know where you're watching this from and what's one thing you'd love to get from this channel. What do you really want to see us do here? I'll be reading each and every one of your comments. If you have something a bit more personal going on and you need to connect with me one-on-one, I will leave those details below in the description. So, if you're ready for real talk, real stories, some bite-sized relationship wisdom, and a regular dose of inspiration and hope for your love life, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and let's kick off this journey together. Let's argue less and love more, starting now.